friends, today we're going to build a 5-volt solar panel charger. This device has two main functions. First, it works as a battery charger, and for the second function, I'll reveal that at the end of the video. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome DIY videos. In this video, we use the following components: a 5-volt solar panel, a 5-volts battery, a BC547 transistor, resistors, 1 kiloohm, 10 kiloohms, and 10 ohms, and a 4007 diode. To create this circuit, I took help from a website and designed a custom PCB. If you're designing similar PCBs, just drop a comment. I'll make sure to cover it in the next video. Friends, the quality of this PCB is truly top-notch, even better than what you usually find in offline markets, but also way more advanced, and the circuit we've used is right in front of you. For your convenience, I've also included the circuit diagram, which you can see on the screen. Now we're going to learn how to assemble this circuit. First of all, make sure to place all the components in the correct direction. You should follow the exact layout I'm using. Also, ensure you're using good quality components. You can easily find them in your local offline market. So let's quickly assemble everything, and then at the end, we'll test the circuit to see how it performs. Friends, we've successfully completed assembling the circuit, and now it's time to move on to the soldering process. This step is very important. A clean and strong soldering job ensures your circuit runs smoothly without any interruptions. For testing, I've used a small battery just to demonstrate how it works. But if you want to power a more demanding setup, you can definitely use a larger 5-volts battery, which will charge directly using the solar panel. To handle the charging, we're using a 5-volt solar panel. This panel will collect energy from sunlight and convert it into electrical power to charge the battery. The wiring is very simple and beginner-friendly. I'll show you how to make those connections step by step. To indicate power, we'll use a green-colored LED, which will light up as soon as the circuit is powered on, acting as a power indicator. We have completed the soldering work, so let's proceed with these final steps and then test the complete circuit to see everything in action. Now we will test both features of the circuit. The first feature is that it charges the battery using sunlight, and the second is that it also functions as an LDR. The circuit is now connected to a 5-volt solar panel, which is charging the battery in the sunlight. This circuit also performs an additional function as an LDR, which stands for light detection sensor. In this setup, the solar panel is effectively acting as the LDR. For example, when I place my hand over the solar panel, a light turns on, and when I remove my hand, the light turns off. This is similar to how street lights operate. They charge during the day and automatically turn on at night. The same type of circuit is used in those applications as well. Creating this circuit is really easy. Anyone can build it with no hassle. That's because we've only used very basic components. This circuit is working very well, and you can use it to create an automatic streetlight project. Now, we've taken a drone motor, which we'll test. As soon as I place my hand on the solar panel, the drone motor runs, and when I remove my hand, the drone motor stops. So you've seen that we built this using 4 components. If you want, you can even make this circuit without a PCB. So friends, you can see our circuit is 100% workable and performing very well. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Until then, and subscribe my channel.